General Rtd Valerio Sibanda, Comrade Gwenzi, at the 46th Defense Forces Day celebrations. Zanabina Mashukwan Udapangwa Ene, which was the retired General Valerio Sibanda was spotted at the Defense Forces celebrations. He decided to join. When he was subscribed like us on the Bio Aircon. Tibida Manabubra Jugam Zimbabwe's institutional memory goes full circle and traces back to ZANU-PF. The presence of accomplished and decorated soldiers in the secretariat of the Central Committee speaks to the irony-clad comradeship, loyalty, discipline, and bond of our leadership. At every turn, our lives and destiny is intertwined as Zimbabweans. That is why we should safeguard the peace and the freedom defended by the defense forces. The intelligence and strategic leadership of the Commander-in-Chief President Emmerson Mnangagwa speaks to the qualities above: loyalty between comrades, patriotism through sacrifice and unity. ZANU-PF is the fish, the citizens are the water, they can never be separated. The government in its entirety is a child of ZANU-PF, the Revolutionary Mass Party. Therefore, Zimbabwe is a unitary and non-divisible state. Zimbabwe will forever champion liberation ethos, anti-imperialism, and crush trickery. Doma developments anokuda tinokupangwa message inodeliverwa by the defense forces, and also thanking the retired general anozivikanwa Valerio Sibanda for also attending. Kuna comment section medu zofundo email kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu subscribe like on the bell icon.